located over Beaver Creek, or 8 miles south of Greenville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Greenville, Tamalco, Woburn, Pleasant Mound, Boulder, Mulberry Grove, Pittsburgh, Pawtucket, Chauvenir, Vandalia, Brownstown, Kimberly, Avena, Stephen Forbes Station, Farina, St. Elmo, Wright's Corner, and Locklead. This includes the following state parks: Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 41 and 76. Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 127 and 135.